If you're planning to go off-grid, trek further, or survive longer in 2025, then these 17 advanced outdoor survival gadgets are what you need. From next-gen GPS tech to off-grid power and emergency gear, this is your ultimate kit. All Amazon links are in the description. Let's get into it. Military-grade precision on your wrist, this beast of a GPS watch offers offline maps, barometric altimeter, storm alerts, and insane battery life, 60 hours in GPS mode. Built to survive, made to guide. Tactical, rugged, and fully mission-ready. With dual-layer display tech, this smartwatch gives you fitness tracking, offline nav, and military-style toughness, perfect for harsh terrain or hardcore field use. Simple, bomb-proof navigation in your palm, long battery life, worldwide satellite support, and a display that's sunlight readable. If you're off-trail or way out, this is your GPS backup you can trust. Global texting and SOS with zero-cell service. Connect to your phone and send messages via satellite anywhere on Earth. Add weather forecasts, location sharing, and emergency SOS, and it's smaller than your phone. Affordable off-grid communication with a real app. Experience. Link it to your smartphone and text from the backcountry like you're in the city. Includes GPS location sharing, SOS, and automatic switching between Wi-Fi, cell, and satellite. The ultralight power solution. At just 150 grams. This carbon fiber-clad power bank delivers 10,000 milliamp hours of juice and supports fast charging. Water-resistant and tough, designed for adventure. Power anything, anywhere. This folding solar panel is a portable powerhouse. Charge your laptop, battery banks, lanterns, or even base camp systems, all with sunlight. Massive storage. Tiny footprint. Holds up to 8 liters of water, collapses when empty, and stands upright on uneven ground. BPA-free and rugged, hydration at scale for base camps or vehicle setups. Ultralight comfort meets stealth insulation. Quiet, compact, and with space frame baffles that deliver incredible comfort without the crinkle. Perfect for hikers who want great sleep without weight. The gold standard for sub-zero warmth. With an R value over 7. This pad keeps you insulated even in alpine or Arctic level cold. It's warm, durable, and packs down to a Nalgene-sized bundle. Boils water in 100 seconds. Integrated burner plus pot system means fast cooking in wind and cold. Perfect for dehydrated meals, trail coffee, or emergency melt water. Stay warm even in brutal cold. With 3 heat settings, waterproofing, and touchscreen compatibility. These gloves use rechargeable batteries to keep your fingers toasty for up to 6 hours. The Swiss Army knife of modern survival. LED flashlight, compass, fire starter, rope, and more. All packed into a sleek aluminum tube. It's survival gear built with real-world logic. Smart lighting for serious campers. Bluetooth controlled, rechargeable, and absurdly bright. Whether you're in a tent, van, or base camp, this lantern adapts with dimming, color tone, and SOS. Waterproof, floatable, and crystal clear. Comes up to 35-mile range, NOAA weather alerts, and built-in flashlight. Perfect for group adventures, kayaking trips, or emergency contact without signal. Crank it, charge it. Get alerts.am/fm/NOAA radio, flashlight, solar panel, hand crank, and USB power bank. Whether it's storms, blackouts, or survival scenarios, this radio is ready. Power your adventure footage. Enduro batteries last longer in cold, charge faster, and give you more time to film in extreme conditions. Perfect for vloggers, mountaineers, or rescue team footage. In 2025, your outdoor adventure is only as strong as the gear you bring. These gadgets give you the power, data, and survival edge when it counts most. Tap the links below to gear up with these elite tools straight from Amazon. Subscribe to Gear Lab, where adventure meets innovation and survival starts with smart gear. Your opinion truly matters. Drop a comment below. Your thoughts shape our next video. The first comment that suggests a topic will be the theme of our next video. Let's see who grabs that spot and shapes the next episode. Until next time, stay sharp, stay safe, and stay unstoppable.